The VarioMaster 9440 is a high-performance fully automatic side seal strapping machine that can be used for boxes, pallet loads, aluminum extrusions, or plastic tubings. Designed to be integrated into powered conveyor lines or used as a standalone automatic strapping unit, the standard GS41 strapping head is side-mounted on the strap arch and completely enclosed. Head cover opens for easy access to strapping head. The Melis name has been recognized as a leader in the strapping industry in Europe for over 40 years. In 2004, Melis moved its production of high-end machinery for North America to Wulftec. There, with domestic sourcing of the off-the-shelf components including Allen Bradley controls, Wulftec is producing technology-advanced strapping systems suited to the North American market. With fully staffed parts and service centers in both the US and Canada, Wulftec offers full strapper plus stretch wrapper solutions, making it the choice of the most demanding customers. Advanced machines backed by Melis experience, Wulftec engineering, and unbeatable service. During the strapping cycle, the strapping head indexes towards the load before tensioning sequence, so tensioning and sealing are done against the side of the load. The strapping head is mounted on a movable assembly guide through linear bearings and activated by an electric motor with a timing belt. The head has a load sensing device that detects the side of the load and tells the head movement to stop, so tensioning and welding are done as close as possible to the product for maximum strap containment efficiency. The bottom section of the strapping arch can be a standard under-track style or an electric motor-driven pallet bayonet for through pallet strapping or a combination of both. Wulftec is the only manufacturer of strapping equipment that attaches a significant importance to strength. All Wulftec structures are built with heavy-duty steel for rugged performance in even the harshest work environments. They're built strong to last forever. Up to 8 straps per minute may be applied, depending on strapping arch and package dimensions, strap quality, and strap tension required. PET or polypropylene strap may be used with minor adjustments to the strapping head. Mounted vertically, the GS41 includes quick connectors for electrical power and signals, allowing quick changeover for maintenance when required. Electronic tension control through a variable frequency drive. Assures consistent tension control regardless of the number of cycles and environmental conditions. The strap tension is adjustable from the touch screen. Wulftec was the first in North America to put AC variable frequency drives as standard equipment on all machines. Why? Lower maintenance and better reliability. Wulftec strappers will save you time and money. Wulftec has the best warranty in the industry. Consistent high seal efficiency, accurate tension alignment of the strap, environmentally favorable sealing by vibration welding. The VarioMaster 9440 offered turntables, rotating cross, and centering devices as an option for all handling needs, accommodating pallet and palletless loads. Load staging saves time. Simultaneous transfer. Our heavy-duty conveyors are second to none in the industry. User-friendly touchscreen offers a simple yet effective way to adjust and maintain your equipment. The control panel is neatly organized, eliminating time otherwise lost searching for wires. Coils of PET or polypropylene strapping with a core diameter of 16 inches can be fitted to these high-speed dispensers with polyblock accumulation system and electrical brake. Precise and quick adjustment by automatic strap feeding unit. Ability to strap with polyester or polypropylene strapping without parts changes. All motors, proximity sensors, photo eyes, and other sensors have quick disconnect cables that simplify installation and maintenance. Non-proprietary parts accessible on a local base. We build our machines with off-the-shelf parts, so replacement parts, if needed, can be